time back after the summer break, and we do not see that the school is likely to be open any sooner because of the pandemic. We are now going to give an attempt to start a virtual school. So morning assembly is one such platform. I request all the parents who are sitting with their parents to encourage their children to attend the morning assembly every day. This will help them imbibe a good routine and will give them a good start before the virtual classes will actually begin.